So we have another graphic card for repair, and it can be the reason, of course, it doesn't work. And this is our 9272 GB one from ASUS company. So yeah, let's test it out. That always unplugging the hard drive. So yeah, this card did not recognize by a computer. The good thing this graphic card doesn't have a backplate. Oops. So yeah, this graphic card doesn't have a backplate, so some of the main voltages we can measure right away. So let's see it. First one, that's power to graphic chip. We have it. From what I see, this is okay. This is a power to memory. We have it. And yeah, let's open it up and have a closer look, because two main powers we have it, but still nothing. Yeah, let's open it up and have a closer look. So yeah, I had a pick on this graphic card, and everything looks normal as for me, and we can go over it together. So this is a resistance for, and all voltages are going up as well. So this is we have 1 volt over here. This is resistance for graphic chip, PCI Express. We also have it, and we have 1 volt over here. And this is PM for memory, and we have 1 volt over here, and this is our memory itself, 1 and 5. That's what we already measured it up. And yeah, no shorts were found, no nothing. So I'm assuming that chip itself went out. And for this graphic card, which is most likely, I mean, this is not the newest one, so should be something either with the memory. I mean, most likely it's a memory itself. So I already contacted the customer, and he is not agreed with the cheap GPU replacement. He is agreed with the just try to reball it, because it just depends how lucky he is gonna be, how long is it gonna last him. Usually it lasts for long days, but right now he doesn't have the money for a new graphic card, and he just needs something temporarily, and this is a good option for him if I just reball it and see if it helps. So yeah, I already cleaned the chip, and just adjusted over here. Nothing interesting. It's a 0.5 reballing balls. Yeah, there's nothing interesting gonna be. Just basically pulling balls into their holes. So basically that's how it looks like right now. I already did check everything on the microscope, no issues were found. And yeah, I did reflow it once again with the heat gun after stencil, after I removed the stencil. So yeah, basically let's put it back. So yeah, flux is basically bubbling, that's a good sign. Let's up. Yep, it's already set it up. I'm gonna leave it for 5-10 seconds and basically it's all set. So basically that's how it's looking right now after cleaning. I did clean it. And yeah, I did bring data pins and I checked the power. Looks like everything good, no shorts were found. So yeah, let's put it back. And test it out. Okay. Okay. Chip is getting a little bit warm. That's it. Okay, we have a picture. That's good. That's good. So yeah, let's assemble it and run a couple tests and see if it's in a working condition. So yeah, I've been testing this graphic card and how, from what I can see, no issues were found. So the temperature right now on a GPU is 20 degrees. This is close to the temperature what I have in the room right now. This is something I was testing not so far ago. Yeah, the latest driver was installed, and yeah, with no issues at all. I didn't overclock it. And yeah, in a stress test, okay, let's go not to the full screen, let's go to the preset and go so we can see sensors. And how we can see on the graphic as well, temperature goes smoothly. There's no like rapid temperatures. It goes smoothly how it's supposed to be. So long so far this graphic card is good, and yeah, you can count this graphic card is fixed.